My name is Debbie Ortman, and we are in Hermantown, Minnesota. I'm going to show you my compost system. I have been composting for 40 years. From 2002 to 2012, I was a consultant for the Western Lake Superior Sanitary District, and I coordinated their food composting program, their municipal composting program. So we collect here food waste that goes into our backyard compost that is, fruits and vegetables, banana peels, etc. And then we also separate material that will go to the sanitary district because there are drop-off sites where it's free for homeowners to collect food waste and bring it to one of these drop-off sites. The material that we put into that bucket would be meat, bones, rice, bread, dairy products, things you can't put into your backyard compost. Composting starts in the kitchen. This is where it all begins because this is where you generate the food waste from baking, cooking, making salads, eating food on a daily basis. And believe it or not, 25% of what goes into the landfills, goes into your garbage, is food waste that can be reutilized and recycled and made into compost. If I'm going to fix an onion, a lot of people just throw this into their garbage, which is not what you want to do. What you want to do is have a cool little compost bucket like this, and you'll see what's in there is coffee grounds, eggshells, some twigs, some onion peels, and those all go into my backyard compost. Instead of your onion peels going into the garbage, they go in here, and within 6 months to a year, we have beautiful compost that comes out of this. The other system we have is under our sink here. We have this container. This is the container that goes to the Western Lake Superior Sanitary District. This has a biodegradable bag on it. You can see that there's some leftovers from a dinner. We put in here what we can't put in here. So the sanitary district can take material that you wouldn't put into your backyard compost system. So then what we do is we tie this all up, and then we have a container out in the garage where we put this. So we're going to go into the garage where I can show you where we put the material that we send to the sanitary district. These are 12-gallon containers that you can get from the sanitary district. Again, we have a biodegradable bag that you can purchase on the internet. And then here is just some of the food waste that's going to the sanitary district. So then this goes right in here. And then we take this and bring it over to Lake Superior College. You can find out exactly where their 6-yard dumpster is located, and you can drop it off there anytime. The realities are, this is a system that should be set up in every single municipality. When you think of 25% of food waste is going into your garbage and it goes into the landfills, that we need to recapture that and recycle it. And so if you don't have a program like the Western Lake Superior Sanitary District's program in your community, start one. Otherwise, you're just basically going to have to go with your backyard compost. So this is one of our backyard compost piles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the oldest one, so this is the one we'll break down this year. You can see the great dirt that's already been created as all the material has broken down. Mainly what is in here is refuse from the garden and leaves from our maple trees. And it takes 3 to 5 years for this to break down into compost that we use as a soil amendment. We don't turn these, we just let them sit here and let nature take its course. This fence is actually about 4 to 5 feet high. You don't have to even use a fence. I've seen other people just have a compost pile somewhere in their backyard, like a corner of their backyard, and they just let stuff break down naturally. We don't put any food waste in these containers. If we did, we'd have problems with bears, raccoons, mice, etc. And you don't want to do that. So no food waste goes into these containers. This is galvanized fencing that we get from Menards. And basically you want galvanized because then it doesn't rust and it'll last forever. So this is about 6 feet around and about 5 feet tall. Homeowners, I think the most feasible are the plastic containers that we have by our garage that we put all of our food waste from the kitchen. Because the sanitary district did a study a number of years ago that actually showed that compost that has food waste has a higher nutrient content than this type of compost, which makes sense because you're putting eggshells, which are great for calcium. You're putting in fruits and vegetables, which have micronutrients in them. And it's a higher quality compost. For the plastic compost bins, those are running about $200 a piece. So those are a little pricey. But again, we've had one that's lasted over 15 years and it's still going strong. I mean, that plastic is a thicker plastic, so it doesn't break down. So a $200 investment, I think, is well worth it, especially for a backyard gardener in a neighborhood, where they don't have a lot of space, but they really still want to generate some compost. Really, composting really makes sense. It's great for the environment, it's good for your landscaping and your garden, and it really helps with keeping food waste out of the landfill system.